To begin, we are thinly slicing 1 pound of mushrooms. I am using cremini, but you can also use white mushrooms. We are dicing about half a cup of shallots. If shallots are not available in your area, you may use a white onion. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, add in 6 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. Then, on a large pot over medium heat, add in a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Add the mushrooms in. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Sauté the mushrooms for about 6 to 7 minutes. Once they are soft and tender, get them out the pot and set them aside. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add in the shallots and sauté for about 2 minutes. Then, add in 1½ cups of arborio rice. Toast the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will see it to start turning golden brown. Then, add in a splash of dry white wine. Cook the wine off and let the alcohol evaporate. Continue cooking over medium heat. After the wine has evaporated, add in about half a cup of the simmering chicken broth. We are going to continue adding the chicken broth about half a cup at a time. Keep stirring in between and let the rice absorb all the liquid. The key to a good risotto is patience. You're only adding in half a cup of the chicken broth at a time, which should take about 30 minutes to add all the 6 cups in. Do not rush this process because if you do, you're going to end up with hard rice and you're not going to have that creamy, perfect risotto. Your hard work and patience is about to pay off. Add in the last of the chicken broth in. Now, bring the mushrooms back in. Give that a stir. Add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, followed by 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it all in until that butter is completely melted. All left to do now is to turn the heat off and serve. You may garnish with fresh parsley, and freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. And there you guys have it, perfectly creamy mushroom risotto. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching!